Hi, everybody. One more Google Meet update that I would like to share with you is Jamboard, or in Google Meet, they call it Whiteboard. So I'm just going to click over here, 3 vertical dots to the bottom right here. We're going to open up something called a Whiteboard, and it says Open a Jam. And what they're doing is, or what Google Meet's doing is they're building in Google a Jamboard, which is a kind of an interactive whiteboard, and they build it right into their Google Meet. And you can see a link to the jam will be sent to others in the meeting. Now, here's the rub on this one. If you open up right now before students arrive or before people arrive at your meeting, they won't see the link. So you may want to wait till everybody gets in there, and then the link will be given in the chat, and they can click on the link and jam with you, if so to speak. So I'm just going to open up a new whiteboard just so you get a sense of what this looks like. And it'll pop open here in a second. So now this is associated, this Jamboard is associated with this meeting. And you can see you can share people if they do come in later. You can join them later, or invite them later. And it's pretty much a whiteboard. I'm just going to get this nice and big so you can see it. And there's tools over here. There's a pen tool, and you can have different types of pens with different types of colors. And there's a eraser. This is just a pointer. You can put in a sticky note here. All right, so sticky. Save, and that can be moved anywhere around that you want to put it. And these can be resized and rotated and so on. The pens, like I said, they basically can just write on the screen. There is that's the sticky notes, right? We already did that one, but you can also insert pictures. So you can go to a Google search, or if you have images in your drives, you can go through there, that kind of thing. And of course, there's shapes you can throw in there as well. Oops, I just want to get out of here. There's shapes you can throw in, circles, all the different types of shapes available. Okay, and then there's also text. If you want to throw in some text, you can type in text here. And of course, I believe you can put in color. Yeah, the color's up here. So again, it's very simple. It's more like a whiteboard, almost like a brainstorming. I've seen teachers use it for math, for social studies mapping, all sorts of different types of things you can do here. There is a little pointer down here too. If you want to show something to students, you can just circle something or highlight something. Also, I should have mentioned over here under background, you can actually put in grids and different colors, and more like a chalkboard. Obviously, you'll have to use different types of different color for your text and so on. But there's different grids that you can use, dots, line paper, and so on. So there's quite a few things that you can do with that. You notice up here, you can also add new frames. It goes up to 20 frames, and you can build up a nice little repertoire of questions or math questions, or it could be just brainstorming ideas, that kind of thing. But it's there for you to use. And of course, everything you do on here is saved, so you can go right into your Google Drive. You'll see this Jamboard has been saved at the end of your session. Hopefully that's been helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions about Jamboard or how to use it in the classroom. There's lots of different ways. If you go online, there's piles of ways you can use Jamboard. I just mentioned a few, but there's a lot of things you can do. You can do your notes, you can do agendas, all sorts of different things with this. So feel free to contact me if you want to learn more about Jamboard. Okay, have a great day.